Today we are looking at a completely rebuilt CS Bell Hammermill. This unit was made for Montgomery Ward. This is Unit AE, Unit AE. This unit has been brought into the shop. The unit has all new bearings. The rotor has been balanced, new knives if needed. This unit has been upgraded with a WEG VFD, variable frequency drive, that allows you to infinitely tailor the speed for hulling applications or standard Hammermill applications. Unit has direct frequency change. These units can be 3-phase or single-phase. Pause the video here for pertinent data. This unit is set up with a very nice 3-phase, 3-horsepower electric motor. This unit is currently set up in the 220-volt single-phase configuration. As I said, this has been brought into the shop, completely rebuilt, nose to tail. This would be the equivalent of a CS Bell number 20. As I said, these were made for Montgomery Ward. This unit has been completely rebuilt by us here at Commodity Traders International. For all things seed, feed, grain, recycling, and research related, please reach out to us. A link to our website will be in the video description down below. Thank you for watching.